Good day, sir. This is RJY Riponte from 2 BSL Social Studies. Today, I am reflecting about the recent discussion of the Module 5, which entitled The Light Side of the Internet. So, today we're talking about the positive impacts of the internet on our lives, especially and how we connect with others, communicate and engage in society. The internet has changed how we interact with people. We can now maintain relationship over long distances, share experiences instantly, and meet others who share our interests. While the internet allows fast and efficient communication regardless of location, it also has drawbacks. Without face to face interaction, misunderstanding can happen and deep connections might be harder to form. In terms of civic engagement, the internet provides platform for discussing issues such as Facebook, YouTube, and etc., which expressing opinions and getting involved in causes. It's a way to raise awareness and mobilize for social change. Networking, both online and offline, is crucial for personal and professional growth. The internet offers social and professional networking sites that help us build and maintain connections more effectively. So, in conclusion, despite its downside, the internet has many benefits for communication, relationship building, civic participation, and networking. It's important to use it wisely to make the most of its positive aspects. Thank you again for watching. This is again RJY Reponte from 2 BSN Social Studies.